Welcome to FunShine Express Early Learning Curricula. Today, I'm excited to show you what we carefully pack into every Fireflies monthly preschool box. On your first order, we send you a starter pack containing wall displays and more colorful items you'll be able to use all year with your children. This includes a starter guide that will give you confidence when using this curriculum in your classroom. Now, let's explore what you'll receive in your curriculum and how to use it. The Fireflies box contains supplies for 1 month of thematic teaching and learning. The teacher pack is filled with hands-on teaching material to keep preschoolers engaged. But the curriculum guide is the most important item in your box. It includes daily lesson plans with activities and child development tips. We've designed this guide with clear instructions and images that correspond with each labeled activity. Every month, you'll also receive 2 high-quality children's books to use with the current themes. Take-home newsletters, plus journals are also included for each child. But there is so much more. And have you noticed how organized everything is? We include 15 age-appropriate art activities with children's supplies divided by project, so there's no guesswork. And when you order, you'll be able to specify how many preschoolers are in your classroom. That way, we send you the exact amount of materials you'll need per child prepped for each activity. FunShine curricula are designed to save you time, so you can spend more time interacting with your children with easy-to-use, flexible daily lesson plans, and it's delivered right to your door. Ready to simplify your day and create excitement for learning? Order your box today at funshineexpress.com.